No first dinner for date night. This chicken stroganoff pasta is too easy and delicious to not making. Hey guys, let's do it. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. The calories of the dish, they are higher than my usual healthy dinner recipes, but this is very typical for an Italian dinner with creamy sauce. If you still wish to reduce the calories, you can replace some of the sour cream and heavy cream with just plain water or low sodium broth, and just add some flour to thicken the sauce to your liking. It will still be delish. I particularly enjoyed the dish left over, hence the 4 servings. It tastes even better the next day. Now, if you are actually making this dish for your day dinner, good luck and have a rich meal. Thanks so much for being here. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.